Hello, I'm Pat O'Hare, Chief Market Analyst from Briefing.com. Today is Monday, April 27th. Stocks finished the session with sizable losses after failing to sustain a mid-session rally. Broad-based weakness underscored the downturn, but healthcare stocks attracted support amid fear of a swine flu pandemic. The media's focus on the implications of swine flu induced interest in pharmaceutical stocks, which were up 0.6%, and biotech stocks, which gained 2%. That helped Bristol Myers Squibb and Pfizer provide leadership to the healthcare sector. The companies also benefited from interest ahead of their quarterly announcements, which are scheduled for tomorrow morning. Despite leadership from big pharma and biotech stocks, the S&P 500 underperformed the other headline indices. Meanwhile, General Motors provided the Dow with leadership after the struggling automaker announced plans to restructure its operations in order to avoid bankruptcy. GM finished the session more than 20% higher, which is its best single session advance by percent in more than 1 month. Fellow Dow component Verizon failed to give the blue chip index a lift, even though it topped analysts' earnings expectations by earning an adjusted 63 cents per share for the first quarter. Financial stocks had a poor showing Monday. The sector finished 3.2% lower as bank stocks slid. All 24 members of the KBW Banking Index fell, with Wells Fargo leading the index's 4.9% decline. Shares of Wells Fargo were downgraded by star banking analyst Dick Beauvais. There were a few glimmers of strength in the sector, though. Property and casualty insurers, which were up 0.4%, and insurance brokers, which gained 0.6%, both advanced after Humana posted better than expected earnings and an upbeat outlook. Technology, which is the largest sector in the S&P 500 by market weight, generally traded in line with the broader market. Qualcomm provided the most support to the sector. The company announced it has entered into a settlement and multi-year patent agreement with Broadcom, which will result in the dismissal with prejudice of all litigation between the companies. Charges associated with settlements resulted in a loss at Qualcomm, but that was excused when the company issued an upbeat revenue forecast. I'm Pat O'Hare for Briefing.com. Thanks for listening.